Today, I want to talk to you about another AI software. This one is actually probably the most dominant and the most used at the moment, and it's called CHAT GPT. Okay, and it's quite fascinating, really, what it can do. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to try and keep it short as well, but I'm going to share you my screen to start with so I can show you what you can do on CHAT GPT. Okay, so first and foremost, I would like you to, let's have a look at what CHAT GPT is. So CHAT GPT can write emails, essays, poetry, answer questions, or generate lines of code based on prompts. This could be used to develop virtual assistants or quick answer customer queries. Okay, so let's jump in and have a look at what exactly it is. So if we go to, so you go to try to start with, and then it will come up with all of this. Okay, with all the CHAT GPT tools, and you'll be able to type it in. So I'm going to start with just typing in hello to see if it works. So hello, I can help you today. Okay, I'm going to say write me a poem in the style of Shakespeare. I hope I've spelled Shakespeare right. Shakespeare, about cheese on toast and cold winter nights. Now I'm going to press enter. Straight away, the AI software has come up with a poem. Upon a cold winter's night, when all the world is still, I seek solace in simple plight. A cheese on toast, my heart to fill. The bread crisp and golden brown, the cheese melted and oh so sweet. A comfort like no other found in this simple humble treat. The fire crackles in the heath or the hearth, as outside the winds do moan, but in my heart there is a mirth, where with cheese on toast I'm not alone. For thou the night is dark and long, and the world outside is cold. The simple dish it does belong to memories forever old. So let the winds of winter blow, and let the snowflake dance, for I have in my heart a warm glow, with cheese on toast, my heart in trance. Wow, that's actually pretty good, to be honest with you. So there's all sorts of things that you can do. Write me a HTML website on trainers and include the common menu tabs. I'll be happy to create you a HTML website about trainers. Here's an example. Straight away, it is generating the text, okay, on HTML. And a very, very simple HTML code, which you can then obviously put in and adapt at will. So unbelievable, the skills and how quickly this AI does things, okay? Wow. Now, this is amazing, and it does present a few concerns, really. How far this, I mean, seeing as this is the first of its kind, how far is this going to go? And will this will stop people from actually thinking for themselves, to be honest with you, and doing this will help a lot of things. And like I said, often we see this in technology where it helps people, it aids them, it can make their life easier, and it can do such transformative things. However, there are so many dangers, and I think that is something that we have to look at. Do try it out, though. There's no harm in trying it out, empowering yourself with the fact that you've got, you know, things like this and technology like this. There's no avoiding it, okay? But do be concerned and do be aware of it. Anyway, that's the end of my video today, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.